Hello everyone and welcome to today's show. We're taking a closer look at the 2023 Ram 1500 TRX, the latest and greatest pickup truck from Ram. The TRX is a performance truck built for off-roading adventures. With its powerful 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, it generates 702 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. The TRX comes with standard 4-wheel drive and a 8-speed automatic transmission, making it capable of tackling even the toughest terrain. The interior is also equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen display, offering all the latest technology features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The TRX features Fox shocks, 6-piston front brake calipers, and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires, making it the ultimate off-roading machine. The TRX also has a payload capacity of up to 1,310 pounds and a towing capacity of 8,100 pounds, making it a workhorse on and off the road. The 2023 Ram 1500 TRX is also designed for safety. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera, you can tackle any terrain with confidence. Overall, the 2023 Ram 1500 TRX is a true powerhouse, delivering a perfect combination of performance, capability, and luxury. Whether you're looking for a truck to tackle the toughest off-road trails or to tow your boat, the TRX has got you covered. That's it for today's show. Thanks for joining us. If you're in the market for a pickup truck, be sure to check out the 2023 Ram 1500 TRX.